How to add a contact form on Google Sites. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a contact form while creating a site on Google Sites. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply go to sites.google.com, or you can simply go to your apps right here on Google, go to Drive, and then you will be able to find Google Sites. So we use Google Sites to create our own websites, and I have already created few of the websites on Google Sites. So one of the important things is that how we can add a contact form if we want to in Google Sites. So that's really easy. First, what you need to do is you can actually get started with a brand new website, or you can actually go to a website that you're already creating, of course. So I will just open up one of the websites that I was working on, and I will show you how I can add a contact form in it. So this is one of the websites that I created for the channel. And you can see it looks pretty good. We have our YouTube video here, and there will be a video on how to create a website on Google Site on the channel as well. So this is our page here. To add a contact form, what we need to do is we will have to create a new page first. So simply go to pages right here and click on this new page button. So once you go to new page, give it a name, contact us, or any kind of form that you're creating. You can just give it the name here. So I'm gonna call it contact us, and this is going to be my page. Of course, you can change the contents on the page that we do, how we usually use Google Sites. If you're a complete beginner, then just let me quickly give you a tour. What you can do is you can change the image from this option right here. We have the text here, and I can make it bold if I like. I can just go ahead and change the everything. For example, I can change the font, title, and other things. So this is like a brand new page, and I have nothing here. So I will create a contact form here. In order to do so, I will go to insert right here. In insert, we have different options such as text box, images, we have layouts, we have button, dividers, and placeholders, YouTube, calendar, and map. So what I want you guys to do is simply open up your forms from here, your Google Forms, because this is from where I will be getting my contact form. So what you need to do is you have forms right here, and you will find your contact form that you already created here. Now, as a complete beginner, you will not have any form here. So what we need to do is we will open up our Google Forms. So this is our Google Forms right here. Now, all of these different applications are integrated and they're available for free from Google. So you will find your forms right here in the docs.google.com. Now, you can see that we can create a brand new form here, and we have this form right here, a template, contact information. So we can use this template in order to create a new contact form for my website. I will click on it and it will open it up for me. And here I can create a contact form. Now let's go ahead and customize it. So first of all, we have this right here, the logo, of course, and we have contact information. So we have name, email, address, phone number, and comments. If I want to add another thing, I will just click on this plus button and it will allow me to add a new section. For example, if I want to ask a question, I can just go ahead and ask it. So I have a question, are you a subscriber? So because I'm creating a website for our channel, right? And I want to get information about that person, their email, and I want them to subscribe. So this is my question. You can just type in whatever you like. Then we can select the question type. So we have short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, or drop down. So I'm going to go with a checkbox, and in option 1, I'm just going to add yes, and then in add another, I'm going to add no. So we have yes and no. I don't want to complicate things, so I just want a clear answer. So this is one of my questions that I wanted to add. Now, what I will do is I will actually drag it and drop it right here after the comments. Second of all, there is the option of phone number. So I don't want that. I don't want their phone number. So what I can do is I can delete this section. There you go. Then we have address. I also don't need address, so I will delete it. But you can go ahead, and the template already will have name, email, address, and you can just simply, go with that. Then we have the comments, and then we have this question from me. Similarly, I can add another question. I can import a question. I can add title, description, image, video, or add another section, which is like going to be a blank section. So I can actually divide my contact form into two sections. For example, section 1 can be the personal information. Okay, let's do that. So I'm just gonna drag it from section 2 and drop it right here in section 1. So we have name and email. The first section is contact information, and the second section is subscribe. And then we have one question. Let's add another question right here. And this time, let's go with a short answer. So this is going to be my second question, and I can just place it here. Now I think my contact form looks pretty good. I don't want to complicate more. We also have the customization theme color here, and I can change the customization of my contact here. So right now it's green. Let's actually go with purple because it matches the theme of my website. So I'm gonna go with the purple color, and now we're done. Once you're done, you will just simply click on send and save it for my website. Now, if we come back to my Google Sites here and we go to insert, scroll down forms, then I will be able to find the form that I just created. There it is, select it, click on insert, and it will be added to your website right here. So this is my contact form right here. We have name, email, everything that I wanted, and I will just, place it in the middle. And this is how it looks. My second page, you can see this is my contact information, and I can now actually, customize it a bit if I like. I can add a footer, and now my second page is ready with a contact information. I can just go with contact. Now it's perfect, and I have a contact page with the contact form that I added on Google Sites. This way you can also go ahead and create your own contact form right here on Google Forms and then insert it into your Google Sites this way. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add a contact form to your Google site. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.